Welcome back, and I want to show you real quick how to scale things. It's very important to learn how to scale. So again, I'm in AutoCAD, and let me go back here and look. And right here was that picture. It's a JPEG, and I just want to go ahead and save this. So back out of it, and I'll just come up here and right-click, save link as, and I'll just exam picture. I'll just save it on my desktop so I know where it's at. When I bring it in here, I'm just going to type in xref, and I want to take in, I don't need this one in here, so I'll delete it out, detach, and then I want to attach this this image. Was it an image? Exam picture, yeah. So I bring this in, and I'm just going to drop it, enter. And what I'm looking at here is I need to rotate it around. So first thing I do is grab it, and I need to rotate it. And I'm just going to rotate it from right here and turn it around. And I put my ortho on, that way I can rotate it straight up like that. Now I need to make sure that I've got this thing lined up. And what I would do is I'd come in here and I'd eyeball this just to get started. And I can tell real quickly that it's off a little bit. You see that? So now I'd hit line, and then I would come here and take that ortho off, and I'd come in here to this point and start right here. And then I would use, this would be my actual line right here. And see how I'm lining it up with that? And all I'm doing is I'm trying to get the angle here. So this angular, and hit this point, hit this point. Delete that out. Hit angular because I had it on there for a minute and it said 0 like that. And what I want to do is just double click that, or actually click on it, right click, and go to precision, and I'll come down there like that, 0.3054 degrees. So this thing needs to be shifted up 0.3054 degrees. So I just come in here, rotate now, right click, click on this point, 0.3054, and it should shift that up. And that way it gets that wall straight for me to draw with. And now I'm just going to test it just to make sure it's straight. So I'm just going to lay it right there. And whenever I put this ortho on to have a straight line, we're going to see how straight that got. It got closer. Y'all see that? So I believe we're pretty good shape right there. Decent enough for this layout. There's a little skew in the picture too. Right in the middle it kind of sags and it comes back in over here, as you all can see, as it catches. So that's pretty good. And what I want you to do is just go around and trace this thing out. Go around and just hit your points and trace it all out. Okay? You can use points if you'd like, or just come in here and do like I'm doing and just catching. And I turn on ortho too in order to get you fairly straight. Keep the line straight on it. And you can see what I'm talking about as you go all the way around through there. Now, as far as, I want to show you this, like if I was up here and I was coming off this point to hit this point and then down, and then over here, I want to take and just, I want to put my tracking on, and that way I can track right over, and that way I'll be lined up. And come down, track that over, and then come over here and just go through that. So what I want to do is this doorway should be at 36 inches wide. So I want to put a measurement on there, linear measurement, and this door is 0.2078. So all you have to do is go to your calculator and type in right here, go to you first put in the number you want, which is 36 inches. This should be 36 inches. And we see this is not scaled right. So type in 36 and then divide it by the number you got. You always take what it should be and then divide by what you got. 0.2078 equals. So it needs to be 173.24 times larger. So all I have to do, back up, grab the whole thing, come up here to scale, catch this point, and type in 173.243, 173.243, and then after I get that put in, just enter it, and it puts it in there for me, and I back up, and now when I zoom in here, trying to find right here this dimension, if I zoom in there, it's 36 inches. A little bit of change on there, but you got it scaled pretty close. So that's a basic and easy way to scale things up to their exact size.